Did you know that 73% of Salesforce orgs struggle with integrating AI agents with external systems? This can lead to a poor customer experience, duplicated data, and increased costs. But what if I told you there's a better way to integrate AI agents with external systems? In this video, we'll explore how to build the agentic enterprise with Agentforce and Amazon Agentcore. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to integrate AI agents with external systems, provide a seamless customer experience, and maintain a single source of truth. So let's get started. Now here's where it gets really powerful. Agentforce MCP Integration with Amazon Agentcore enables AI agents to reach beyond Salesforce and access external systems. This is done using the Model Context Protocol, MCP, as an open standard to present enterprise capabilities to agents. Think of MCP like a key that unlocks the door to external systems. With Agentforce MCP integration, you can provide a seamless customer experience by resolving cases without manual intervention. For example, an electricity distributor can use Agentforce to determine if a customer is owed a guaranteed service level, GSL, payment. To set this up, go to Setup, type Agentforce in the quick find box, and click on Agentforce MCP integration. From there, follow the prompts to configure the integration. But wait, there's a catch you need to know about. MCP is an open standard that allows agents to discover and call external systems as self-describing tools. This means you don't need to write custom integration code for each external system. Instead, you can use MCP to provide a universal API layer for agents. Think of MCP like a phone book that lists all the available external systems. With MCP, you can avoid custom integration code and provide a seamless customer experience. For example, you can use MCP to connect Salesforce with SAP, mainframes, or custom services. To get started with MCP, go to Setup, type MCP in the quick find box, and click on Model Context Protocol. From there, follow the prompts to configure MCP. Let me show you the part most admins miss. Amazon Agentcore is an orchestration layer that extends the reach of AI agents to external systems. With Agentcore, you can provide a single, secure endpoint for agents to access enterprise capabilities. Think of Agentcore like a gatekeeper that controls access to external systems. To use Agentcore, you need to publish MCP tools on the Agentcore platform. This allows agents to discover and call them. For example, you can use Agentcore to connect Salesforce with AWS services or on-premises systems. To get started with Agentcore, go to the Amazon Agentcore website and follow the prompts to set up an account. This next one is a game changer. The MCP CLient is a built-in CLient that enables Agentforce agents to find and call MCP tools. With the MCP CLient, you can provide a secure and authenticated way for agents to access external systems. Think of the MCP CLient like a passport that allows agents to travel to external systems. The Agentcore Gateway is a secure endpoint that routes agent requests to external systems. With the gateway, you can provide a single entry point for agents to access enterprise capabilities. For example, you can use the gateway to connect a Salesforce agent with a mainframe-based billing system. To set up the MCP CLient and Agentcore Gateway, go to Setup, type MCP CLient in the quick find box, and click on MCP CLient configuration. From there, follow the prompts to configure the CLient and Gateway. Here's the thing nobody tells you. With great power comes great responsibility. When integrating AI agents with external systems, you need to ensure security and governance. This is where OAuth 2 and Amazon Cognito come in. OAuth 2 is a security protocol that provides scoped, short-lived tokens for every call. Amazon Cognito is a service that provides authentication and authorization for agents. With OAuth 2 and Amazon Cognito, you can provide secure and governed access to external systems. For example, you can use OAuth 2 and Amazon Cognito to authenticate agent requests to an AWS-based database. To set up OAuth 2 and Amazon Cognito, go to Setup, type OAuth 2 in the quick find box, and click on OAuth 2 configuration. From there, Follow the prompts to configure Auth2 and Amazon Cognito. Let's recap the key takeaways from this video. To integrate AI agents with external systems, you need to use Agentforce MCP Integration with Amazon Agentcore. You also need to use MCP to provide a universal API layer for agents. Additionally, you need to ensure security and governance using Auth2 and Amazon Cognito. By following these steps, you can provide a seamless customer experience, maintain a single source of truth, and avoid custom integration code. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tricks. Click the bell icon to turn on notifications. See you in the next video.